we don't have enough space. The turbo is taking up too much space. It's time to eat, my friends. It's time to eat.
This is probably too much.
Okay, hammer time. Okay, so now we're gonna try to bend it. I wanna come from this one. All right, we're gonna clock the turbo real quick. So these are actually just retaining brackets. The whole thing's able to spin once you loosen them all up. They call it clocking a turbo. There we go.
Real.
Then you can clock it. Now we need more this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so our exhaust manifold doesn't fit now, this bit, so we've got to cut this now. This is actually a common mod.
Wait, what are you doing with it?
The second we try to line up that back bolt, we get stuck. Have a look. There goes our beautiful paint job. Yeah, that's what we're shooting for. Not sure we need to go here. Nice. Whew. Turbo. So that's the rough of how it looks, with a little bit of banging, a little bit of anger. So now we've got to lock in our position here. And that's actually not too bad where the piping goes. If I can get the piping from here and then out to the front, this is right where the AC was, and I didn't AC delete. So we should be okay with that piping.
Florida.
Yeah, we're in Florida. The heat, I mean...
We just don't need AC.
No. You saw me sweating. It's not needed. I didn't sweat that much.
Helps you
Detox, exactly. Just put the top down and go at it. Because this is America.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.